I lack empathy. I lack empathy. I lack empathy. I'm not vegan, therefore I am evil. I lack empathy. I'm not vegan, therefore I am evil. I lack empathy.
Look at this face. What do you see? Does this person look happy? Sad? Angry? What do you think? Or does this face look disgusted? What do you think this face is looking at? What would make you feel like something is disgusting? How about looking at a dead body? Someone whose head was chopped off, and their legs too. Someone who died at just 7 weeks old. She had her lungs ripped out, her ovaries, her kidneys, her large intestine, her small intestine, her pancreas, her liver, her spleen, her gallbladder, her esophagus, her trachea, and her heart. Would that disgust you? Or would that make you sad or angry? In this case, this person here is looking at a dead body, but that's not what's making her feel disgusted. She's not disgusted by the apathy of humans around the world who pay others to slit the throats of chickens who have never done anything wrong to them ever. She's not disgusted at herself every time she bites into one of these innocent animals. In this case, what she's disgusted by is not the dead flesh that is seen in the video, but it is a child's foot. A foot. A child's foot that has been walking around barefooted and has some dirt on it. That's what she chooses to be disgusted about, not the dead flesh that's on the plate and on the table. It's strange, isn't it? I agree that seeing a foot like that close to food is somewhat alarming. But it's just a foot, and it's not doing any harm. It's not actually touching the plate. But on the plate is an innocent sentient being who didn't want to be chopped up into pieces. On the plate is an animal who had a family and friends and who wanted to live. I am here on social media for one reason only: to undo the harm that I did for all of the years that I ate animals. For all of the years that I paid people to put them in these Holocaust-like conditions. SS Sniper Wolf might be somebody who's different from the rest of us. I don't know to what degree she lacks empathy, but many of you who are watching are the same as me. At first, it's hard to believe that this goes on. You just want to think it's going on in other countries and that really the animals are treated better. But the truth is, they aren't. There are twice as many chickens on the planet as there are humans, and the vast majority of them suffer their entire lives. I'm asking you for one favor: to please learn the truth, to please be brave enough to watch the documentaries that you will see coming up on screen. Dominion. Earthlings. Cowspiracy. Seaspiracy. Don'twatch.org. The Game Changers. What the Health. and forks over knives. I'm asking you to join me in this fight against the meat, dairy, and egg industries. I'm asking you to help me to create a vegan world. I don't expect this to come overnight, but it will be wonderful if you would join me by following this channel, subscribing, pressing the notification bell, and when you're ready, join me to help get these animals out of hell. Thank you.